What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Chevrolet Spark Smart Key remote fob. This Chevy Spark key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do to change this key fob battery is grab our key fob, and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, this slot right here is where this key just slid out of. What I'm going to do is put just the very tip of the key in there. See, I'm only putting about that much in, what's on the other side of my fingers. Put the very tip of that key in there, and then I'm going to pry up like this. So put that key in, pry up. Tip of the key, pry up, and as I do that, you can see it splits the case apart like that. Go ahead and pull the two halves apart, and then in the back half of our case, we see our battery right here. And there's a little bit of a cutout right here and right here on this battery holder that will allow you to get under the edge of that battery and pop it out of that holder. Now we'll grab the new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down in that holder. Snap it down into that holder, and then we can snap the two halves of the remote back together. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.